The horizon pulls me closer.
Winter has a way of slowing us down. The nights feel heavier, and honestly, it's easy to lose motivation. But winter does not have to be the season where you disappear. It can be the season where you make comeback. Today, I'm going to share how you can use this winter to reset, rebuild, and return stronger than ever. Think about it. In summer, motivation is easy. The days are long, energy is high, people outside doing things. But in winter, cold mornings make it harder to get out of bed. Your energy drops, and sometimes your goals start to feel far away. But that's exactly why this season is powerful, because not everyone pushes through. If you choose to rise now, you'll be ahead of the crowd when spring comes. So before I tell you how to start the foundation of your comeback, let me tell you some rules of winter art. So rule number 1, buzz cut. It isn't a requirement, but a buzz cut shows how dedicated you are to the winter arc. It's what separates you from other people. Rule number 2, you have to train at least 5 times a week. Rule number 3, cut off distractions. No girls, no parties, no social media, no night outs with friends. Rule number 4, start a mandatory bulk or cut. Depending on your physique, you must start a bulk or cut for the entire winter arc. By the end, you must have transformed yourself into the best version of you. Rule number 5, locked in. You must eliminate all distractions. You must go ghost mode and focus completely on completing your goals. So now, let's talk about the foundation of your comeback. So how do you actually do it? Step 1, focus on the basics. Number 1, wake up on time. Don't hit snooze just because it's cold. Number 2, keep your body moving, whether it's a quick workout at home, a gym season, or just a morning walk. Number 3, fuel your body with clean, warm, and healthy meals that gives you energy instead of draining it. Don't overcomplicate it. This is about building discipline. Winter is your training ground, and these habits are your weapons. Step 2, set clear goals for your comeback. Ask yourself, who do I want to be when spring comes? Do I want to be fitter? Do I want to have learned new skill? Or do I want to feel more confident in myself? Write it down. Break it into small steps. This way, every single day you push forward, you're stacking momentum for your comeback. Now, next step is protect your mind. Winter doesn't just challenge your body, it challenges your mind also. Dark days can drain your mind. That's why protecting your mind is non-negotiable. Feed your mind with books, podcasts, or videos that inspire growth. Journal your thoughts. Winter can trap a lot inside your head. Writing it out keeps you clear. Surround yourself with energy. Be around people who push you forward, not those who drag you down. Your environment will either build you or break you. Keep it clean, keep it positive, and keep your vision alive. So don't let winter break you. Use it to rebuild you. This is your comeback season, your winter arc. While everyone else is slowing down, you'll be sharpening yourself, getting stronger, and preparing for the next chapter. Start today, even if it's just one small step. Because when spring arrives, you won't just be ready, you'll already be miles ahead. If you are ready to make this your strongest winter arc, hit the like button and drop a comment with the first habit you're committing to this season. Let's hold each other accountable and grow together.